have got our next Accelerate course happening from Monday the 26th of February. So if you're someone who wants to figure out where you can best serve here at church, but also just generally in God's kingdom, then why not come along for those sessions? There's 4, so it's happening over 4 weeks, starting from Monday the 26th of February. It's great to find out what your personality type is, what your giftings are, and what your passions are, so you can find where you best fit. So come along for those, sign up online, and we'd love to see you there to build you up and get us doing some more stuff for God's kingdom. Did you know it takes a lot to maintain a church like this? Not that I'd know about that, but we have got a job opportunity opening up here at Excel Church for a caretaker to take care of our church, our land, and what we have here. So we're offering 7 hours a week to someone to join our team and be a part of what God is doing right here. So if you think you can fit that, then why not head to our website and apply online for that role? We'd love to have you as part of our Excel team.
The wife and kids, so I don't forget. Set me free, set me free. Prison walls and concrete.
Our church weekend away is happening yet again this year, and we can't wait for all our church family, all of us, me, you, everyone, to be together for that weekend away in Wales. So guys, this is your time to get booked in. Now we've got a quick promo for you, so go and have a look at what fun we're going to have together.
Set me free. Lord, I believe you. Help my unbelief.
So guys, don't forget that this Wednesday is Leadership Development Night with Lance. So he's going to be coming and joining us and building us as leaders. So make sure you come early from 7 p.m. for your coffee and cake. See you there. Have a great week, guys.